So today I'm going to be talking about doing updates, renovations, whether to do them for love or for money. And I get asked the question, what updates I should do with my house all the time. And it's a loaded question in my opinion, because you have to really start with the homeowner's goals. And what I mean by that is this a passion project that you want to do because you're going to plan on living in the home for 30 plus years? Or are you doing these renovations in hopes to maximize the overall profit from a sale that you are going to be doing relatively soon? So totally two different points of view, two different objectives. If you're doing it for love and you want to put in that multicolored tile from Italy that you want to have imported, placed in the bathroom in a herringbone pattern, then do it. Just know that it might be most likely very specific to your needs, your aesthetic taste, as opposed to preparing a home to list and we are picking and choosing finishes, paint colors that are actively trending to try to make the home appealing to as many people as possible. So when considering updates or renovations for your home, is it for love or is it for money? If you have any questions or concerns about how to update your place, feel free to reach out to me, shoot me a DM, and I'd be happy to get in contact.